Good morning, students. This is your EVS class, and we are reading chapter Family. Lesson 1, Family. Students, in this chapter, we will learn about change in the family structure over the year, extended family, and about adoption. Students, first we will try to understand what is family. A family is a unit of people who live together, share and spend time together and are related to each other. That means family में वो सब लोग होते हैं जो आपस में एक साथ रहते हैं, हर चीज़ शेयर भी करते हैं, एक साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं और आपस में एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होते हैं. That is family. And a family can be big or small, joint or nuclear. So, we will try to understand these points. Okay? So, students, now we will try to understand what is the meaning of family and what is family. Okay? Father, mother and children make a family. Every person in the family is known as a family member, and mother and father are called parents. Okay? It is clear? Yes. Types of families. A small family has mother, father and one or two children. It is also called nuclear family. Small family क्या कहलाती है? Nuclear family. And what about large family? A large family has mother, father and more than 2 children. A single parent family has either mother or father and children. Okay? Joint family. A joint family has grandparents, father, mother, children, uncle, aunts and cousins. Do you know what are who are uncle and aunts? Brothers of your mother or father are called your uncle, and sister of your mother or father are called your aunts. Okay? Children of your uncle and aunts are called your cousins. Okay, students? So, students, अभी हमने पढ़ा what is family and what are the types of family. तो एक बार हम इसको और समझने की थोड़ी कोशिश करते हैं, right? We all live in families. They can be big or small, joint or nuclear. ये अभी हमने पढ़ा. When just the parents and children live together, it is a nuclear family. And in a joint family, there are grandparents, parents, uncle and aunts. And the siblings and the cousins all living together. Okay. So students, family is like branches on a tree. We all grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. We can understand the relationship between different family members with the help of a family tree. Okay? The relatives on the mother's side are called maternal relatives. And the relatives on the father's side are called paternal relatives. Let's have a look at the following family tree. Okay? आप सबसे पहले maternal grandparents. इसमें कौन कौन होते हैं? मामा जी, मामी जी, पेरेंट्स, मौसा जी एंड मौसी जी. कजिन्स, हमारे अपने सिबलिंग्स एंड कजिन्स. ओके. एंड द पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, इसमें कौन कौन होते हैं? चाचा जी, चाची जी, हमारे पेरेंट्स, बुआ जी, फूफा जी, ताया जी एंड ताई जी. साथ में cousins, siblings, cousins and cousins. So students, our next topic is change in the family structure over the years. That means जैसे जैसे years निकलते जाते हैं हमारे family structure में भी change आता जाता है. तो let us study and mother as a child. Okay. Students, our next topic is change in the family structure over the years. That means जैसे जैसे टाइम निकलता है हमारे फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर में भी चेंजेस आते जाते हैं. Like family structure has changed over the years due to various reasons. For example, some members leave their family in order to work at different place and other move for higher studies to different cities etc. That means कुछ हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो दूसरी जगह पे वर्क करने चले जाते हैं और एक सिटी को छोड़ के दूसरी सिटी में चले जाते हैं, या कुछ मेंबर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए भी हमारी फैमिली से मूव कर जाते हैं. तो देयर आर सो मैनी रीजंस जिनकी वजह से हमारे फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर में चेंज आता जाता है जैसे जैसे टाइम निकलता जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, our next topic is mother as a child. One of the characteristics of living thing is growth. That means living things का एक बहुत ही important character होता है growth. मतलब हर living thing जब अपने आप में उसकी growth होती है तो उसमें बहुत सारे changes आते हैं. Over the years as we grow we change the way we look. Our habits, likes and dislikes also change with time. Here is an example of Riya and Sid. Riya and Sid also saw this change in their mother's picture at the maternal grandparents' home. Their mother was very good in literacy activities. She loved to play chess during leisure time and was very good at painting. The paintings were still present on the walls of her house, but over the years she has changed with new hobbies, likes and dislikes. इस को समझने के लिए we will discuss about example. Rajat is a student and he is talking to his mother about her childhood. Okay. His childhood. Rajan asked his mother about her childhood. She told him that they lived in big joint family with her parents, uncle, aunts, her cousins and her grandparents. They also lived happily together. They all helped each other in the work inside or outside the house. They shared happy and sad moments with each other. She also showed him some photographs of her childhood. She said that she also went to school. She played with her friends, but played were very different from the ones now played by the children. When she grew up, she was married to Rajan's father and settled in her new house in a new family and new family members. Students, our next topic is extended family. Students, a baby is born from the mother's womb. Do you know what is the meaning of womb or what is womb? Womb is a place in the lower body of the mother where the baby grows. दैट मीन्स मदर की बॉडी का वो पार्ट जहाँ पे बेबी ग्रो करता है और जहाँ से बेबी बॉर्न होता है, दैट पार्ट कॉल्ड अ वूम. अ न्यू बॉर्न बेबी एड्स टू द साइज ऑफ अ फैमिली. He or she is a source of joy for all the family members. A newborn baby should be welcomed with open arms, whether it is a boy or a गर्ल। दैट मीन्स जब हमारे फैमिली में नया बेबी आता है तो हमारी फैमिली का साइज़ बढ़ जाता है, वो हमारी फैमिली का ही पार्ट बन जाता है और हमें उसे वेलकम करना चाहिए क्योंकि वो हमारे फैमिली में जॉय लेके आता है, सोर्स ऑफ जॉय होता है। When a child is born, he or she becomes a part of family. The immediate family of the baby includes his parents and siblings. Students, who are siblings? Do you know? Siblings हमारे brother और sister होते हैं जो हमारे साथ में रहते हैं। जैसे न्यूक्लियर फैमिली होती है उसमें पेरेंट्स होते हैं, मदर फादर और ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स होते हैं, तो ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स आर कॉल्ड siblings. An extended family includes relatives from both the father's side as well as the mother's side. Students, ये अभी हमने पढ़ा, we taught that जो fathers के side के relatives होते हैं that are called paternal relatives और जो mother के side के relatives होते हैं that are called maternal relatives. Okay? Students, our next topic is adoption. Okay, students, adoption. Raising a child by a couple or an individual who is not born to them is called adoption. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, या बहुत सारे कपल्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके अपने बेबी नहीं होते, तो वो फिर किसी बेबी को अडॉप्ट करके अपने घर लेके आते हैं. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड अडॉप्शन. द पेरेंट्स who look after the adopted child are called foster parents of the adopted child. और ऐसे पेरेंट्स फिर उन अडॉप्टेड बच्चों के फोस्टर पेरेंट्स कहलाते हैं. दैट मीन्स वो पेरेंट्स जो बेबी अडॉप्ट करते हैं वो पेरेंट्स क्या कहलाते हैं? फोस्टर पेरेंट्स. ओके, अडॉप्शन इज अ काइंड डीड. वी ऑल नो दिस थिंग. चिल्ड्रन हु lost their parents in accident or natural calamities are brought to an orphanage. Students, बहुत सारे ऐसे चिल्ड्रन होते हैं जिनके अपने पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं, जो अपने पेरेंट्स को वो खो देते हैं, तो जिनका कोई नहीं होता है, तो फिर ऐसे बच्चे कहाँ रहते हैं? ऐसे बच्चे ऑर्फनेज में रहते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेट पेरेंट्स हु हैव लॉस्ट देयर चाइल्ड और आर चाइल्डलेस go to an orphanage to adopt a child. और ऐसे पेरेंट्स जिनके अपने बेबी नहीं हैं, जो बेबी को अडॉप्ट करते हैं, ऐसे पेरेंट्स कहाँ जाते हैं? ऑर्फनेज में जाते हैं और वहाँ से बेबी अडॉप्ट करते हैं. दे लुक आफ्टर हिम और हर एज देयर ओन चाइल्ड, और फिर वो उसे अपने बच्चे की तरह केयर करते हैं. द चाइल्ड गेट्स लव, केयर एंड अ न्यू होम विद अ न्यू फैमिली. और ऐसे बच्चों को फिर क्या मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स? नया होम मिलता है. उन्हें वो पेरेंट्स लव देते हैं, उनकी केयर करते हैं और उन्हें एक नई फैमिली मिलती है. द चाइल्ड गेट्स लव, केयर एंड अ न्यू होम विद अ न्यू फैमिली. ओके, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड adoption. So students, now we will read key terms of this chapter. First one is family. A unit of people who live together, share and spend time together. This is called family. What is adoption? Raising a child by a couple or an individual who is not born to them. This process is called adoption. Foster parents. Who are foster parents? Parents who look after the adopted child are called foster parents. Okay, so students, this is the end of this chapter, family. I hope आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Now what will you do? You will read the chapter carefully and जो भी मैं content, written content आपको भेजूंगी, you have to write in your copy very neatly and very carefully. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही स्टूडेंट्स. So thank you and bye bye. Bye bye.